Today, we're comparing the Roborock Z1 and the Roborock Z1 Lite to help you decide which one fits your home and your lifestyle. Both are all-in-one washer-dryer combos, but they're built for different types of users, so understanding the differences makes the choice a lot easier. Starting with drying technology, the Z1 uses a more advanced zero-cycle drying system. This method absorbs moisture and converts it into steam, allowing clothes to dry faster while staying gentler on fabrics. It also uses less energy overall, making it ideal for people who run multiple loads every week and want something efficient. The Z1 Lite doesn't include this upgraded drying system, meaning its drying cycles may take a bit longer and could use slightly more power. When it comes to smart features, the Z1 clearly stands out. It supports app control, letting you monitor and manage loads directly from your phone. This is great if you like keeping things streamlined, or if you simply want the convenience of checking on your laundry without constantly walking back and forth. The Z1 Lite keeps things simpler with traditional physical controls, which is fine for users who prefer a more basic, hands-on approach. Capacity is another key difference. The Z1 has a noticeably larger drum, making it ideal for families, shared living spaces, or anyone who frequently handles big loads. The Z1 Lite is more compact and space-friendly, which makes it a strong option for smaller apartments, tight laundry rooms, or homes where every inch of space matters. Maintenance also sets the two machines apart. The Z1 includes an automatic self-cleaning system designed to reduce lint buildup and cut down on routine upkeep. This makes it easier to own long-term with fewer manual steps involved. The Z1 Lite doesn't offer this feature, so you'll need to clean it by hand more often to keep it running smoothly. If you want a machine that's more powerful, dries faster, runs more efficiently, requires less maintenance, and includes convenient smart features, the Roborock Z1 is the better choice. But if you're working with limited space, have a tighter budget, or don't mind doing a bit more manual cleaning, the Roborock Z1 Lite still delivers solid performance and great value.